Objectives of this video are: learn the basics of SPSS and understand the process of data entry. Let me introduce it. SPSS stands for Statistical Package for Social Sciences. It is software or tool used by researchers to analyze numerical data. In research, SPSS is used after data collection. For example, this is questionnaire for data collection. And this is collected data of respondent 1. And this is collected data of respondent 2. For easy understanding, we will enter the data of these two respondents only, in SPSS. For better understanding, please enter this data in SPSS, along with me. Open SPSS. And go to Variable View. Here in Variable View, enter the variables used in the study. Enter variables one by one, as shown. In the name column, we write each variable, in short form. In the label column, we write detail of the variable. In the measurement column, we define the type of variable. Note that serial or ID number are nominal variable. Similarly, add second variable. In the type column, select string for name variable. Similarly, add third variable. Here age is continuous variable, so select scale. Note that scale is selected for continuous and discrete variables. Add fourth variable. Note that this variable have categories. In the values column, we define these categories. For example, 1 for male, then press Add. And 2 for female, then again press Add. And then press OK. Defined categories have been saved. Similarly, add more variables. Similarly, define categories of this variable also. Similarly, add more variables. Note that spaces are not supported in name column. Use underscores for gap between words. Select ordinal, as this is ordinal variables. Similarly, add all variables. Then go to Data View. This is Data View of SPSS. All variables appear here. In Data View, we enter collected data of study. Enter collected data of first respondent, as shown below. Serial number of first respondent is 1. Name of first respondent is Ahmed. Age 43. Insert 1, as 1 was assigned to male gender. Similarly, enter previously assigned values. 3 was assigned to non-smoker. 2 for moderate. Similarly, enter all values. Similarly, enter total data of second respondent. Click this button to show values in words instead of numbers. Now you can easily compare entered data for any corrections. Click it again to show words in assigned values. Similarly, you can enter data of more respondents. In next part we will learn displaying and analyzing of entered data. Thank you. For any suggestions, comment below.